Hey guys, my name is Kern and welcome back to Octane Street, the road here on YouTube that never ends. And today I'm doing some custom work here on my 2014 Hyundai Veloster Turbo. Now the work that I'm doing is going to be done to my front bumper here. So as you guys can see, I have a pretty gnarly crack here, and it actually happened within my first week of owning the car. You can see the car is kind of like talking to me here. So what I'm gonna do is I already drilled the first little hole here just to see if my little brushless impact wrench could actually drill through my bumper. I drilled a little hole here, and what I'm going to be doing is kind of making it look like Frankenstein, where I'm going to put some zip ties through it. I got those on my bench over here, and I'm just going to reel it through and make it look hopefully a little bit cooler while also keeping it up, because I don't want my car talking to people. That's kind of weird. So we're going to go ahead and start drilling. I'm going to drill top, bottom, and just kind of weave it through, and hopefully it comes out looking a lot better than it currently is, because if you ask me, it can't really get much worse than this, right? So let's go ahead and see how it is. I'm gonna set up this camera here and then get started. Time to lower her down and drill in from the top. Let's run some of these zip ties through and see how it turns out. Gotta touch up this one right here. So you see it looks a little bit better. I'm just gonna cut the extensions and touch up this one over here. This one, because it's not sticking properly, and then we'll see how it looks at the end. Alright, so as we can see now, I just finished up what I was trying to do. It didn't come out anything like I wanted it to. I mean, it came out okay. It came out okay. I'm not gonna say I did a horrible job. I mean, it was a really quick job. I decided to do it during my lunch break here at work. So I'll put a picture of before and after so you guys can see what it looked like before and what it looks like now. You guys can be the judge of it. Leave a comment right below that like button letting me know what you guys think is better. Was it better before, hanging and dropping to the floor, talking to everybody that I passed, or is it better like this? At least this is a little bit better in my opinion because it's not scraping on the floor and I still have peace in my bumper. So but yeah, I'll also throw a picture up of what I was trying to go for, so that you guys could see what my aim or my goal was. Unfortunately, like I said, it didn't really come out like I planned, but I mean, it's better than nothing, I guess. If worst case scenario, I could just clip them all and then redo it again. I have a little bit more knowledge now, so I'd probably do a bit of a better job next time around anyway. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys done this to your bumper? If you have, send me a picture at octanestreet@gmail.com, and I'll love to take a look at it, or tweet it at me at octanestreet, and I'll take a look at it there. So that's all for this time, guys. Hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you guys could ride shotgun with me on the next video. See you then. Peace.